Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to insert a text box in Google Docs. Text boxes are great for highlighting important information, creating references, or organizing content in your document. Now let's get started. On your Google Docs dashboard, we will insert a text box by clicking the Insert option in the upper left part of the screen. Click Insert, then select Drawing, and then click New. Once we are in the new drawing window, we will click the text box icon at the top. Click the text box, then drag to set the size you want. From here, we can adjust the font and size to make the text look the way we want. We can also change the text color by selecting a font color and choosing a new color, for example, changing the text to black. We can also change the font style by picking from the available options. Once we have typed in our text, we can configure the settings as needed. For example, we can center the text and adjust any other settings. When we are done, just click Save and Close. And there is our text box. We have successfully inserted a text box in Google Docs. Now we can organize and highlight important parts of our document more effectively.